Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a 3D render effect similar to what I have displayed here. Now we can see the original image that was uploaded. We can see the lady here, and we can see the effect that was created using that image. Now to make something like this, how you have to do is to follow what I'm going to say in the next few seconds. So the first thing you have to do is go to higgsfield.ai. Once you're on the website, sign in or create an account, scroll and choose the 3D. Just choose the apps section, then choose the 3D render. You'll be brought to a page like this where we can see this. All you have to do is click on upload, and you will get to upload a picture or an image. Then if you want an image, you just want to take an image of the new effect with the new effect, you can leave it at this and click on generate image. But if you want something like the video that is being displayed, all you have to do is to click on video, select generate video, and in the next 15 to 20 minutes your video should be ready for use. So it says here your request cost about 16 credits, but this is no issue because Higgsfield already allows you to create one free effects per day. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.